Tell me something when the rain falls on you.
Hi, I'm Martin Rex from the Busking Community Philippines. I've been busking for 13 years now and majority ng time na nag-busking ako ay naka-unplug. Gitara lang ang meron ako tsaka lakas ng loob. I think the major difference now na meron akong ginagamit na C Music by Celestion is hindi ko na kailangan mag-exert ng effort masyado kapag kumakanta para marinig ako o kapag tumutugtog para lang marinig yung gitara ko. Kasi amplified na siya. Though 60 watts pero 123 decibels. So it's loud enough. But being loud is not everything. I think it's the clarity that's very notable about the speaker. C Music by Celestion has solid sound clarity and that's what we need sa the busking community. Minsan may mga event kami indoor, wala nang dead air dahil meron siyang Bluetooth function. Pwede mag-jamming kasi meron siyang 3-channel speaker. So pwedeng may keyboard, pwede may gitara, pwede may vocals, o pwede may e-drums. Mix and match na lang kasi nga 3-channel speaker siya. Gusto kong i-elevate yung sound na kaya naming i-offer. Hindi lang as a busker, but also as the founder of the Busking Community Philippines.